Kanti-ke ithimba laseNingizimu Afrika lifaka phakathi ongqongqoshe owezobudlelwane likamengameli Khumbudzo Ntshaveni, owezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba Ronald Lamola, owezohwebo nezimboni uPakistan, owezolimo John Steenhuisen, somabhizinisi Johan Ruppert, abadlali begalofu Ernie Els Retief Goosen. Lo mhlangano-ke uqale kahle ngokuthi uMengameli U-Ramaphosa atubuze amagabade ngezipho okukhona kuzo nomqinqo wencwadi begalofu, kepha ubese qhamuka umbuzo ngokubaciswa kwamabhunu angu-49 eMelika. Unobhala jikelele le-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi uTrump yena ucele ukuthi uRuppert, Els noGoosen babe khona kulo mhlangano.
Well, he did. I mean, he knows them. He knows South Africans. He knows Gary Player and all of those people. But he did ask for them to be part of the delegation from what we have understood.
Trump asked?
Yes, of course, that they be part of the delegation, because the main issue here is that South Africans have been killed in a genocide and so on. So I think we need to lay those matters to rest in terms of engagement. And it is important that South Africans from all walks of life have been really supportive to this anti-notion that there is a genocide in our country.